Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is why terrorism? We explore this question from the spiritual point of view. First, terrorism is based on fear. Terror means fear. People used terror against the governments to achieve their own self-made goals. When they were dissatisfied with the governments, they started in terrorist activities. This is how terrorism started in the world. Later, terrorism was based on the religions. Some group of people believed in a particular religious book. They had faith in their own ideology, in particular religious ideologies. They were very much fixed with their ideologies and they tried to impose that ideology on the people. When they found that people did not accept their ideology, they were mercilessly killed. Terrorists were always associated with dangerous weapons. They always carried dangerous weapon to kill people. Terrorism is born out of spiritual darkness. Terrorists believe that the other people are their enemies. They don't consider us other people are human beings, their fellow human beings. They were ready to kill them mercilessly. Terrorists forced others to adhere to their way of life, to adhere to their principles. When somebody refuses to follow, then he or she was killed mercilessly. Terrorism is against life. Terrorists don't have any understanding about life. But as we have told, life is very precious. Life is miraculous. They miss all these points. They are not spiritual people. They don't have any knowledge about themselves. When they are identified with their own thought process, the thought process is all for them. So they are inclined towards terrorism. Terrorism is against the whole humanity. Nowadays we find that terrorism is spread throughout the whole world. People don't know how to tackle this phenomenon. Even people try to set a definition for international terrorism. That also they were not in a position to do. Still now we don't have any international definition on terrorism. Some countries try to have a definition for terrorism, but they failed. What it indicates? It indicates that people are very much confused about their life. People don't understand the significance of life. Universal brotherhood is missing. Everyday life is faced with so many conflicts. It is said that man is born violent. Violence is his nature. How to tackle violence, we are not in a position to understand. Violence is springing from our own thoughts. So as usual, we must understand how thought process is working within us. When people are told ideology is the utmost important, then people tend to become terrorists. Terrorism is against goodness of life. People don't find any goodness in their living. What for living is? Living itself is the ultimate purpose of life. Life has no purpose other than living. So living must be of highest quality. Terrorists are in spiritual darkness. They don't have any spiritual dimension towards their life. That means they are simply missing the life. They try to organize the truth, but it is a fact that truth can never be organized. So when they try to organize truth, it goes wrong. People are very much confused. Fear is a basic psychological fact of human being. So terrorists use this method to manipulate the people, and people face untold miseries. We want to go beyond miseries, but terrorism supports miseries. People are faced with so many problems due to terrorism. So we must find ways and means to eradicate this phenomenon. If people are ready to become spiritualists, this problem will be tackled very easily. For that, we must have an understanding about our own thought process. What to do and what not to do is springing from our own thought process. If we are aware about our own thought process, this problem can be solved very easily. Which one is needed and which one is not needed, we can decide by ourselves. Then no need to be a terrorist on the world. Spiritual knowledge is the only solution to tackle terrorism on the earth. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.